Now.
Hi, I'm Chloe. Welcome to my crib. This is my fridge. This is my hot point. Here's where we like to eat. We like to eat. Look at my fridge, man. Look at my fridge. In my fridge, I've got some tomato plants. Yeah, fruit, grow your own tomato plant. Yay. Just in case I like to travel when I'm in my fridge, I got a passport. Got a passport in my fridge. Yeah, man. And just in case I want some cereal, I got some brown flakes in my fridge. Got some fridge with my crib. So get some brown flakes in my fridge. Yeah. And I got some straws in my crib. I got a fridge. And in my drink, I have a straw. And I'm in my fridge. I got drink. When I say drink, just in case I want to do my hair, when I'm in my fridge, I got some stuff to do my hair in my fridge. Yeah. Just in case I want to get a tin of my honey vegetable broth, I can get that from my fridge in my crib. Yeah. Look, man, loads of eggs. We love to eat eggs in this house, man. We got eggs. Yeah. You know what I had for dinner today, man? I had some Chinese. Look, man, Chinese in my fridge in my crib. Look, Chinese, man. Yeah. I like mushrooms, man. Mushrooms are cool. Magic mushrooms, not even better. Yeah, I like mushrooms just like you, man. Just mushrooms. You know what else I love? I love cheese. Cheese with mint. Joyful surprise, man. I'll tell you about cheese. I got cheddar slice. Oh, man, see my
Do you like
fridge
cheesy meat?
Yeah, see, my fridge is so cool. It bleeds when it's been open too long. Hang on.
Do you like cheesy meat?
I love cheesy meat, man. Seriously, I got cheese slices. They're cool, man. They're cool. Oh, do you know what else I got in my fridge?
A glass of milk after?
Man, I hate milk. Oh, yeah. Milk? No. I don't like milk. But you know what I have got? I got a free in my fridge, man. Free. But you know what, man? I've just been chilling with my homies. Yeah, chilling with my homies. Yeah, in my kitchen, in my crib. Yeah, man. Peace out. MTV. Yeah.